The mission of the FTTH Council Europe is to promote fibre networks as essential infrastructure for the competitiveness and prosperity of Europe. For Ukraine today, connectivity is vital. A month ago, we invited at the FTTH conference Andrei Nabok from the Ministry of Digital Transformation and Yuri Kurmat, CEO at Ukraine Telecom. Their keynote speeches describe the impact of the war and the needs on the ground, reaching the hearts and the minds of the 3,000 professionals present at the event. We also partnered with an NGO raising funds to aid Ukrainian people. We have been encouraging and helping our members, especially those vendors of fibre equipment, to bring material support to Ukrainian operators. And we welcome and actively support the initiative from the European Commission to coordinate and reinforce this effort, essential for the resilience of Ukraine telecom infrastructures.